Hey, nice statue. We're gonna continue now. We gonna continue on this way. Wow, vibrant this zone. I didn't expect to be so nice. Really central basically. Nice, nice, nice. Ah, a bit of shadow finally. The sun is hitting very hard. Naval Museum, Deniz Müzesi. We are going, by the way, in this Dolmabahce. I'm not sure what it is. Dolmabahce. I think it's like the stadium or something, if I remember good. I know it's like Dolmabahce Palace. ChatGPT told me to go there because it's really nice, the facade outside. Amici, this is the other football team, Besiktas. It's the other football team, this one. There is Galatasaray, Fenerbahce and Besiktas. I saw now from the shop there. So this zone has another football team. Thank God we didn't come with the Galatasaray jersey like yesterday, guys. Imagine. They really love football here in this city, in this country actually, in Istanbul and in Turkey. So yeah, it was really lucky that we didn't come with the Galatasaray jersey today here. And actually it's close to Galata Tower here, this zone, to the Galatasaray. So they are really close, the two zones. Wow. And they are rivals, arch enemies. This is the bus we took. I understand now because I remember that one, the advertisement. I actually love this zone, guys. I would love to live here. Really, look how nice the palaces are. And really clean, really tidy. These are big, huge walls. What are you? Probably it's this one, guys, that we need to go in. Let me actually check. I think probably it's this one that we need to find a way to get in here, in these walls. Look how tall they are. I think they are like 20 meters or so. Here we are, amici miei. This is what we're going. Where we going? Dolmabahce Palace. And if I remember good, if it's the same like in Albanian, Bace is like garden. If I remember good, I will ask anyway locals and see. But that one, that how do you say? That thing was the name of the place that we're going to see now. I will never stop to get mesmerized by this city, guys. It's really, really nice. I really suggest everyone to come and visit Istanbul, Türkiye or Turkey, as you want to call it. Really a fantastic city, full of vibrant people. Really, really amazing. Every time that we discover a new zone, I really get stunned and mesmerized. Meanwhile, while we speak, I think we arrived. Is the Dolmabahce Palace, I think. I'm not sure we can get in. I don't know actually, but this is, look, I think we can look it outside, but it says do not enter, so we can't enter somehow. So why this palace, the Dolmabahce Palace, is famous, you might ask? Mario, why is this famous? Well, this is famous because it was home to the last 6 sultans of the Ottoman Empire, guys. I don't know why we cannot enter, but just imagine how beautiful this is if the last 6 sultans of the Ottoman Empire here in Istanbul lived inside here in this palace. And I assure you it's huge. So yeah, now you know why this palace is nice and why I wanted to show it to you and put it in the itinerary. Amici miei, I told you Besiktas is a zone here and it has its own football team like Galatasaray and Fenerbahce. And this is the stadium, look. Tüpraş Stadium is called. BJK Besiktas. Amazing. And our next stop is the Dolmabahce Mosque. According to ChatGPT and Google, this is one of the most beautiful mosques here in Istanbul, Turkey or Turkey. I guess we can get in from here. No, let me ask. How do I get in? Right here. From here, guys. We can get in. Hey. From here. Don't enter with shoes. Let's take off the shoes. I was falling, guys. And let's go inside. They are praying, guys, here, so I will not speak so much. Alright, amici miei, let's put the shoes. I don't know where we can put it actually. I think outside. We can sit outside somewhere. Oh, I was falling. I was falling. Okay, guys, we can sit here and put the shoes now. Amici miei, on to the next one. The next one apparently is where we're gonna buy some souvenirs. So join me and let's buy some souvenirs to bring back home. What is the price and if they have a variety of souvenirs? I'm really curious. I looked on ChatGPT and it suggested this place. So yeah, let's go and see it. And somewhere there is the last residence of the sultans of the Ottoman Empire. I told you how tall they are. I think it's impossible to penetrate these walls, really. Impossible. It's like 3 meters thickness. What is here? I thought we could get in the Dolmabahce from here, but I think no. There is only one main entrance to this palace and was full of people, guys. So yeah, I don't know if it was worth it or not because we got a lot to see today. And yeah, so not really so much time to wait. Cross and then is it? Do we need to cross here? No, actually we can cross somewhere there in front and then we need to go left. Wow, so many people now here. So much traffic as you can see. And I noticed that all the taxis almost are Fiat because Fiat, the Italian brand of cars, is very popular here in Turkey, here in Istanbul in Turkey, because they produce it here as far as I'm aware. And it's pretty cheap, I guess, that's another reason. But really nice is new Fiat, no? I like them. Interesting. We are supposed to cross here, guys, and then go on the other side of the road. And we should arrive in the place for souvenirs, because that's our mission and that's our objective. Now, I don't understand why we came to Beşiktaş with the ferry, then we went further, and then we going back. I don't know how Google Maps routed this, but yeah, that's how we're doing really. Alright, let's cross and we go here now. What is this? Simit? Yeah, another bakery. I don't know if you noticed, guys, but there are a lot of students here. And why is that? Because I think I didn't show you, but there are so many universities here. I think I counted like 4 or 5 in like 2-3 kilometers with the bus. So yeah, really a lot of university. I didn't know, and that's why you see a lot of young people, a lot of students. We're going where the crowd is actually. Really huge crowd in front of us, guys. What is that thing? Is water, you think? Yeah, I think they bringing out water because it's very hot here. We are missing only 3 minutes. In 3 minutes we should arrive to our destination. Is a restaurant, this one, by the way. And look how many people there are here. I think it's on the left, so we need to slowly pass here on the left. We're gonna do like this now, okay? And I think we're gonna go that way, if I'm not mistaken, guys. I think it's a road, this one. Yeah, it's a road with many shops where we can buy our souvenir. Let's see now. Okay, you can eat here, there are restaurants, you can exchange money, buy things for your phone. Yeah? How about we go up here now? Let's go up here. Probably we can see something here. Is it? It's like a shopping center, okay. Wow. This is not for us, looks like bijouterie and clothes, other clothes, but I don't see souvenirs. Alright guys, let me check again the name of that one. I think it's called Sinan Paşa Çarşısı. Sinan Paşa Çarşısı. Where is this guy? Sinan Paşa. Okay. Hello. Sinan Paşa Çarşısı. Here. Inside?
Yeah.
All Sinan Paşa? Ah, okay, thank you.
Where you go?
Arnavut, Italia. Both. And Italia. Yeah, Komshi, bravo. Sinan Paşa is Merkezi, guys. Merkezi, I think, is something like market. I don't know.
And this magazine have that inside.
Souvenir. Souvenir. Where? Here? Souvenir? Yeah. I will go inside. Thank you. Alright. let's go. Is all of these guys the Sinan Paşa apparently? I told you it's like a market, like a, how do you say, a shopping center.